Yung anak ko hindi natutulog ng gabi, araw natutulog. So gising na siya 7 o'clock ng gabi hanggang mag-umaga na yan. Minsan natutulog siya 7 or 9 ng umaga. Tapos buong umaga din siya hanggang maghapon tulog. Sa gabi gising na napan. So mapansin mo, yan talaga. Minsan ang masakit dito, yung mga kapitbahay namin hindi nakakaintindi, pinopost na kami sa Facebook. Sinasabi doon, magpatulog naman kayo kapitbahay. Pansin mo ngayon paano namin siya pinatake, ito ngayon ang nangyayari.
What sound?
Oo. Yung sounds dyan, later part. Doon maririnig sa audio. Narinig niya lang? Naririnig sa audio? Yung sounds? Narinig. May sounds dyan, Sir Joy, no? May sounds? Okay, very good. So, mapansin mo paano pinapatik. Yan. Ang hirap kasi nito, hindi siya kumakain ng yung kung ano yung pinapakain ng normal sa bata. Siya may special siya na pagkain. Isa lang siyang, ang dati niya is gatas lang. Ngayon na-improve na siya. Yung Cerelac, dinagdagan namin ng kanin. Ngayon, kanin na lang ang pinapatek sa kanya kasi karamihan may nagsuggest sa amin na yung Cerelac din, hindi din maganda daw. Dapat alisin na rin kasi mostly may sugar. So, yun ang nangyayari. So, tingnan mo, nung pinatake namin siya, first time ever, huwag kang matakot na ipapa-inom mo diretso yung capsule kasi vegetable yung capsule natin. VG caps. So, ngayon, 11 o'clock namin siya pinainom. Ang kinaganda nito, at 11:30, natulog na siya kagad. And I will show you the clock, yung oras mismo, kung paano siya. At 11:30, natulog na siya. Yan yun, no? Palakpakan po natin yun. At may bago kaming video ngayon na improve na siya. Instead na 11 o'clock, tingnan mo to.
Hello everybody, so as you can see here, my little brother is so energetic. At the night time, he will not sleep. Look at this video. It's taken on March 23, it's last month, on 3:14 a.m. And here's another video taken in February 23, and it's already 3:02 a.m. and my brother's having a meltdown episode, and my mom is right there making sure he is safe, and while I am absolutely sleeping. And good thing these products came, Symbiotic. My mom gives Symbiotic to my brother in the daytime, and here is how my mommy gives him the capsule. So here's my brother just relaxing and chilling, and that's the time my mommy will try to just put the capsule in his mouth and then put some water, and look, my brother is drinking water, some water, and my brother already swallowed the capsule. And now some more water so that if he's thirsty, and after that he's just relaxing and chilling and biting with my toy and doing all of the stuff he likes, going back to his routine. And my mom gave him the capsule at 5:40, and my mom is preparing him to go to bed, and at exactly 6:20 he went to sleep. Thank you, Gut Guard. You got my little brother to sleep. Hello, everybody. So this is my little brother. He doesn't want to play in the playhouse. And then whenever we're in the mall, then we go to the playground. He just wants to chill and lay down and do all the stuff he likes on his own. And he really ignores the other children playing. Like, he's really got his own world. And then, since my little brother drinks Symbiotic, it really helped him a lot. Now, he drags my mommy's hand into the mall, and then he really loves enjoying the playhouse. He went in the slide multiple times. And then he goes back to the slide because he's just having so much fun. And then we feel like he is really a kid now because You know, no kid don't like the playhouse. And now, Briggs is finally one of the kids who love the playhouse. He also plays with me in the trampoline. And I am so happy that I finally got a playmate in the playhouse. And then we were having fun, bouncing and laughing, and yeah. And I'm really happy just because of Symbiotic. I love Symbiotic. You really helped my brother. And now, I've been really waiting for Briggs to play with me for 4 years. So, thank you, God Guard. You got my little brother too.
Abangan nyo ang susunod na video namin. May ginagawa kami ngayon. Kasi tinetest talaga namin ang verbal naman niya ang inaano namin. Kasi may mga additional na siya na improvement. Aside from nakatulog na siya, ang maganda nito, hindi lang nakadisturbo sa kapwa, kami mismo nakapag-relax na rin. Diba? Yun ang hindi mabayaran. Ngayon, ang inaabangan namin yung makapagsalita na siya. Kasi may mga pakunti-kunti, nakapagsalita na siya ulit ngayon ng dada. Yun, tapos, hoy, kapo, ay, no, hoy. So, di lang talaga namin ma-timing. Kaya ngayon, I pray na talagang sinuportahan talaga namin siya kung maigi pa lang, hindi na siya lang talaga. Para at least makita namin na wala na siyang therapy kasi talagang dito sila ngayon. Ito lang talaga. So, sa lahat po, kung ayaw nyo maniwala, okay lang. Kasi kami meron na. Palakpakan po natin.